Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here, out here at the Avon Park Field. Last flight of the evening. Hope it's light enough for you to see. But I do have GoPro with a low light setting on there. Taking up the e-flite turbo timber. A little bit of a knife edge here. That was about a half throttle roll there.
5 minutes.
There, 3/4 throw. Too far away, I know. Well, she just wants to float. Now this is one plane that will float and float and float and float and float, and then she'll start floating. So and it's starting to get dark quick, so I don't think I'll be flying the full 6 minutes. Well, look at them lights there. Coming by slow and pretty. There's no wind to speak of right now.
Time remaining 4 minutes.
Right now I'm probably lost about a quart of blood to these mosquitoes.
Landing flaps.
There is no wind at all. Nothing to chase away the mosquitoes. So I gotta endure them. Let's bring this big old bat in here.
Flaps up.
That's so fun to do. Knife edge, if you can see it. That's half throttle there. And these bugs, oh man.
Time remaining 3 minutes.
Of course, this is Florida. There. That's full speed.
Landing flaps.
Well, you know what? Let's try landing her with, we'll land her in the grass with no flaps. I hit some tough grass there and it's kind of slowed her down. So I gave her some throttle to lift her right back up again. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get out of here. It's getting, I mean, you might be able to see it pretty good on the video because of the filters in the GoPro.
Landing flaps.
But it's getting hard for me to see. I know, you say, well, you said you're getting hard for you to see, but you still keep flying. I know, I can't help it. I'm really relying on the navigation lights now.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
But you can do that with a plane that you're extremely comfortable with. All right, tell you what.
Flaps up.
We'll do one more for sure, and then we'll call it quits.
Landing flaps.
Timer is set for 6 minutes. Pretty sure. A little bit of back pressure there. Whoa! Oh man, I had a prop strike. Being stupid and cocky. I don't know if you caught that. You hear that click. Yeah, see, happens to everybody.
Landing flaps.
Me trying to be
Flaps up.
let me take a look at my prop here. All right, I am gonna think my prop's okay.
Time remaining 1 minute.
The worst case scenario with that is you break your shaft on your motor.
Landing flaps.
All right, that's
Flaps
good.
up.
All right, well, lesson to the wise. I should have had my tail down a little bit more when I took that last landing that caused that prop strike. Hopefully I didn't bend my, but if you can see that the profile of the prop turning and you just don't have any variation, you're probably fine. And I don't, motor off, I don't see nothing on the end of the props. Prop feels good, secure. Think I got lucky. All right, let's go back over here to the bench. We flew for a full 5 minutes. Let's see how much juice is left on this Reaction 2800 4S, and we'll check it by the light of the landing lights there. Except they're gonna go out as soon as I unplug it, so go figure. All right, let me get that out of there. Okay, and what little bit of sunlight I have left here, let's see what we got. Bear with me. Still had 59% left, so I'm fine. All right, folks, thank you so much for watching. That is the Turbo Timber, going to be replaced by the Turbo Timber Evolution, and I've got that on order. Should be here this month. But folks, with the way these planes are costing and their price, probably going to have to be one of my last planes for a while. So folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. God bless y'all.